this video, I will teach you how to create this typography poster design in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Link of this background is mentioned in the description. Adjust the image size on the artboard. Go to the Window menu and open the Layer panel. Go to the Type tool and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using the Nagasaki font. And apply the white color to it. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Go to the Layer menu, New, and create a layer via copy or press Ctrl+J. Right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click on it and choose Flip Vertical and drag it down. Right-click again and choose Perspective. Then create a layer mask on it. Choose the Gradient tool and apply like this. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size. Then create a copy of it. Right-click on it and open the blending options. Then add a black color overlay to it. Drag this layer down. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click on it, and choose Distort. And decrease its opacity to 48%. Then create a layer mask on it. Select the Brush tool, decrease its opacity and apply. Go to the Type tool and type your text. And I am using the Poppins font for this. Press Ctrl+T and follow my settings. And apply the dark color to it. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. And I am using Bayshore font for this. And follow my text settings. and follow me. Link of this background is mentioned in the description. Adjust its size on the artboard and change its blend mode to overlay and decrease its opacity to around 30%. And it's done. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.